say? Some of them places a little country. Yo, a bush me there. Look at this. I'm in the bushes, man. This is one country town. Dude told me population is 2,000. 2,000. His graduating class was 30. This is a country town, but I tell you one thing, I kind of like it in a way because it look free, man. I feel like as a kid you would have fun here. I see a lot of streams, a lot of river. You know, you go hunting, the whole nine, stuff like that. Yeah, man. Christmas tree. Don't want the Christmas tree. See it there? Yeah, big Christmas tree. Big things. Watch it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Follow me. Top of the morning, y'all. Top of the morning, what it is. Your boy, hand dope. The man dope. You see where I'm at, right? The truck stop. I'm out here in Erie, Indiana. Not Indiana, Erie, Pennsylvania. Yes, it look like middle of nowhere to me, but you know, so y'all ain't been following my journey, but I'm gonna catch y'all up real quick. So I've been trying to get an oil change since yesterday. What happened was I was at home and I had like 3,000 more miles to go. I said, man, usually I change it at home. So now I'm just gonna change it at one of these truck stops. What I didn't know was that a lot of these truck stops don't carry filters for box truck. That's what they say. I feel like they was being lazy. So yesterday, I was in, where was I? Wisconsin. I was in Wisconsin. Then after that, I stopped at a truck stop in Wisconsin, right? So I stopped at a truck stop. I said, all right, I'm gonna get my oil change here in the morning. Got there. Boom. The phone got hot, man. I gotta get me an actual camera, man, because this phone keep getting hot for some reason. These iPhones, I don't know what's wrong with them. But yeah, like I was saying, I was trying to find oil change from Wisconsin all the way to where I'm at in PA now. You can find that they don't have filters, so this is something I won't do again. I'm gonna change my oil at home, or I'm gonna have my filters. So I don't have to go through this again. But really, I feel like a lot of them just ain't want to deal with it. I don't know if it's harder to change box truck oil or whatever, but they ain't want to deal with it. But I'm at TA last night. The guy said he couldn't do nothing, but today, the lady figured something out. She said some cross filters that match the same, that can do the same thing. Right, so I'm gonna go with that. I prayed about it though, man. You know my God come through. I'll let you know that right now. Before I went up there, I dropped a prayer. You know about my God come through, man. I got favor, man. So that worked out. I'm about to go play some basketball or something, huh? You know what I mean? Yeah. Big truck, A little old lady driving that big old truck. I actually don't know where I parked at. This truck stop so big. There you go, right there. There go my baby. She over there, boy. But yeah, man, I might get this oil change. I'm saying I'm about to go play some basketball. You know, get it in. See right there. She over there. Right in between. All his life, boy. So now we gotta change my light. Like, so I'm getting a full PM checkup, you know. Light is, got shortage, I guess. Some of them blown. This one don't fit, so we gotta go get another one from the store. The store. I get on my wife saying store. Yeah. But everything else check out though. So got it done, man. I spent more than I wanted to, but you know what? You gotta take care of your truck, man. I ended up spending an extra like $100 and something just changing backlights. I could have did it myself, honestly, but when you're out of town, you know how that go. Yeah. So yeah. Now I'm about to head to Walmart. I head to Walmart, go find me some stuff for the week. You know what I mean? I think I overdid it, y'all. But yo, we're about to throw this on the grill today. All right, y'all. Bye. I'm back. Grocery shop is done. As you can see, I'm back at the truck stop. Yeah, check out my snack bag, y'all. Loaded now. You know. Trying to eat a little. We eating healthy out here. We ain't just eating anything. Snack bag. That's my snack bag. You know, we got plenty of it. Yeah. Well, a few things. Y'all gonna see me. I'm trying to cook. I'm gonna grill. I cooked on my grill once before, but it was in the hotel. It don't matter. I'm gonna cook out here. You know what I mean? I'm about to go take a shower real quick. Clean myself up. You know what I'm saying? Can't be in a luxury hotel dirty. You know, you in a luxury hotel, a clean luxury hotel, you gotta be clean in there too. You overstand. So I think said, man, it's your boy Lando. I ain't the main dog. Hey, onions on a flatbed. I gotta take a shower, y'all. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Lando. It's the Chef Lando. Hey, y'all just follow me, man. I got fish in here. We eating fish today. That's what's on the menu. We're gonna season this thing up. You heard me? We're gonna throw some garlic on there. We're gonna throw it on there. We don't measure either. Black folks don't measure. We just throw it on there. Wow. Yep, that's good. Whatever that was. That's how black folks cook. We're gonna throw some a little bit of paprika. Yep, that's good. How much that was, man? Measurements? I don't know. We start with it. We throw a little bit of damn, a lot of stuff still in here. Lorries. Just for the flavor right here, guys. I'm chefing, man. Yeah, man. Punchy, man. All right, that's that over. Oops. Don't put too much of this. You don't want to over season your food now. You go like that. Huh. Like this, like that. Is that how she say? Like just like that. All right. Bomb, right there. We're gonna crank this truck up. We're gonna get to it. What is, y'all? Disappointing. For some reason, I couldn't get no power from the inverter, man. I don't know what happened. Really, I didn't read the instruction. Probably something simple, but I got lazy. So you guys won't be seeing me cooking today. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat me a little salad. That's it. Know what I mean? That's it, man. Yo, you know it's your boy Lindo. Top of the morning, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to hit the day, man. Y'all gonna ride with me today. Drop this load off. Yeah. What, boy, that shit started to get good. Let's try to get up, though. You know, that's how it's always like that. It's trying to get up. Sleep, that's when the sleep start getting good. Like, I feel like I can just lay down for another 2 hours. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't tired of nothing, but, you know. And it got cool over the night, man. What's this shit? We're in July, boy. Pennsylvania get cold a little bit, man. I might have to bring my other blanket. You know, this ain't too thick. But yeah, I might get up and get it going. Now, tomorrow, I'm back. I just reached out to Siri. I had to ask Siri, hey, how cold it is, Siri? Siri said, Orlando, it's currently 61 degrees. Bruh, it's middle of July. What's up with that? 61 degrees in Florida, that's winter. We don't do that. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. It's 61 degrees right now. It's all good. But, you know, I slept good. I ain't had to use the fan. I was using the fan in the daytime. Shoot, what? I had to wrap up a little bit. What's up, good? I'm gonna holler at y'all. What a deal, y'all? What a deal, y'all? Middle of July, man. Got my jacket on, got my hat on. I'm about to hit the road, man. Just go in and brush my teeth, wash my face. I wasn't gonna get gas. I said, nah. Yeah, gas cheaper locally. That's something I learned. So you on the locally gas station, you can get some gas. You know, bump these truck stop gas. They gonna hit you across the head because the trailers don't got no much.
In a quarter mile, turn left to
I got choice.
I-90 East.
I'm box truck. You heard me? I'ma holler at y'all. What's up, y'all? I forgot to record this offload, but yeah, as you can see, this is beautiful Erie, Pennsylvania. It was at a barber school in the country up in Pennsylvania, man. But just thank y'all for watching, man. Subscribe, like, and share. You heard what I said.